In this video, I show you how to archive a project in monday.com so you can declutter your workspace without losing important data. Start by logging into monday.com and heading to your main workspace. Find the project you want to archive. This might be one you've completed or no longer need active. Once inside the project, look for the three dots menu at the top. Click it and from the drop down, select Archive. Just like that, your project is moved out of the active workspace. Don't worry, it isn't gone. You can always access it later by filtering for archived items in your workspace settings. Archiving is the perfect way to stay organized and focused while keeping past work safe for future reference. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Monday Doc Tips.